guys, welcome back to the channel. Alright guys, in today's video, as you guys can tell by the title.
You have hairs on your forehead.
No, they can't see that. Yo, what's going on guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you guys can tell, we just got some fresh cuts. Shout out to my barber for hooking us up during quarantine. But in today's video, we're going to be trading in the Q60 for a GTR. No, I'm kidding. We're gonna be installing the intakes that I picked up here, as you guys saw. Oh, actually, I haven't even showed you guys it. Let me go and show you guys the... Sounds like shit. What the fuck was that? Alright guys, so let me go ahead and show you guys the intakes that I picked up, because I picked up some Burger Motorsport tuning intakes, full air intakes for the Q60. And I'm going to be showing you guys how to install them and basically if it's worth it. I was doing some research before I picked them up, and it said that at the end of the day here, if you're completely stock and if you were to add some intakes to your Q50, Q60, you actually end up losing horsepower there. So me, on the other hand, I have exhaust, catback exhaust. I don't have lower downpipes though, so that's going to be a downside there. But I do want to hear the spool ups and I want to be able to hear the turbos. If you guys do want to end up picking up these intakes, I can them down in the description for you guys. You guys go ahead and pick them up. You got to pay like $330 for them, so it's pretty cheap. Look how filthy my car is, guys. I'm going to be taking it to a car wash right now. It's here locally in Arizona. It's called Bay Wash. I've actually never been there. I've actually been wanting to go for a while now. I just haven't had the time to go. And of course, we got our Dutch on deck. You guys already know us. If you guys don't know us yet, we're always drinking Dutch. We spend like $100 a week on Dutch, but it's okay because it's good. At least it tastes good. I don't know if it's good for your body. If you guys don't know what this is the Dino Egg Green Tea with an extra scoop of flavor of coconuts. Kings up. Once he starts shooting flames, it's gonna cover up his rear bumper from burning up and catching on fire. I probably should have got one of these when I had my Z, just letting it cool down because we just got done driving the Dutch and I was revving it pretty hard, or flooring it, my bad. Yeah, first thing you want to do is just go ahead and take this fucking thing off right here. I'd like to pull it off like this. Look, ready? I'm gonna need a flathead. Unless you got the manly nails there, buddy. Boom. You guys can tell they're dirty as shit. That's another reason why I picked up some intakes for the Q. You're gonna need a 10 mil to take this off right here. Burger Motorsports. And that's gonna be sitting like right there, facing upwards. And it also comes with the shield. If you guys don't add the shield that goes around the filter, you're basically installing hot air intakes, you know what I mean? Because like all the hot air around the car, around the motor is going to go straight into the intakes. Prevents it from getting all the hot air into the filters and getting all that cool air straight from your grill into your intakes. Eric's already going at it right now. He's taking off that Timo right there. He already took off the one right there, guys, so you guys can tell. Oh, there goes that one. Alright guys, so once you guys take off those two 10 bolts right there, you guys should be able to take off it's like a two-piece. Comes right off, and then you just have it connected to the hose right there. You just need to take off that clamp now that's connected to the box, and obviously take off the MAP sensor, which is right here with that little nut, with that nut right there, which is I believe is like a 6. You guys, what we did was we decided to just take it off from the other end, just because this clamp was being a bitch. Make sure you guys don't touch the MAP sensor with your fingers or anything. So if you guys are wearing gloves, that's fine, but we don't have gloves at the moment, so we're just gonna go ahead and place it down. That's the clamp we're talking about, guys. It's kind of weird. We weren't able to just take it off, so we had to remove the other end. Wow. Let me go ahead and show you guys how these heat shields mount up to. So once you remove the box there, you guys should have a big hole like this, and then just go ahead and mount it onto your frame there. There's factory threaded holes there to your frame that you could just go ahead and mount up the heat shield to. So like that, and then you can go and put your intake back in there and you guys should be all set. So yeah, we'll go ahead and up to date once we're all done here. You guys check it out. That's the finished result right there. We had to make sure we mounted on the brackets there. Make sure you guys mounted onto the coupler right there, the black middle piece. And then same with this side over here. On the right passenger side, the smallest little bracket goes on to the middle black piece right there. Other than that, guys, that's basically it right there. I'll give you guys some revs right now. and I'll give you guys a couple flybys so you guys can hear the turbos spool up. So let's get it. Alright guys, this is going to be the first startup right here with the intakes on. So I'm going to give it a couple revs here. I'm going to go up to 3,000. And then I'm going to go to 4,000 for the second rev. And then I'm going to go back to 3,000, alright? Alright guys, I'm gonna make a right at this light right here, and then I'm gonna do like a little pull for you guys. The exhaust is way deeper now.
Yeah.
You can hear the exhaust. Hella deep. Sounds good. I'm gonna roll down the windows for you guys. Hopefully we don't get pulled over. Alright guys, this is a 20 roll for you guys. Ready? Alright guys, this is a 40 roll right here. Ready? Guys, you guys saw that last clip there. I'm fucking irritated right now. You guys saw what happened. That's just fucking annoying. Oh my god, dude, that's an awful lot of cheese there, buddy. Yo guys, right now we're on the way to go get our car washed and detail that bay wash here in Phoenix, Arizona, if you guys are familiar with that. I'm still like in a shitty mood right now due to that lady that you guys saw in the last previous clips where she cut me off and I almost fucking rear-ended her ass. Like, that's really fucking annoying. People out here don't know how to drive. Like, I understand I shouldn't have been going that fast, but I was testing out the intakes as you guys saw. Probably should have done it in a different road, but I know that road very well, and that road is always empty. Like, there isn't any cars, but right now there's a lot of traffic, obviously. So I should have watched out on that. But again, that dumbass, it's both our fault at the end of the day. I'm just glad nothing happened. Always looking out, keep your eyes on the streets. I am getting blow-off valves here really soon. I'm getting some HKS blow-off valves, and I'm getting a heat exchanger as well. So look out for that. Pull up to Bay Wash here in Phoenix. Get your cars washed. The Q is filthy, so is the Supra. So we got John's whip right here looking hella fire. Woo! That shit wet. Definitely 110% recommended for you guys that want to hear the turbo spool up whenever you guys are accelerating. I highly recommend you guys getting some blow-off valves as well. It definitely sounds good. I can't complain. I do feel a little bit of an increase of horsepower. I don't want to say like a big amount. I do feel it pull a little bit faster. Or it could be just my exhaust playing games on my head because, you know, it's obviously a little bit louder now, so it sounds a little bit faster. I recommend you guys staying away from the intakes. So if you guys are completely stock, like me, I have an exhaust, and I'm gonna get 4/8 downpipes here soon. So I recommend you guys getting an exhaust first, and then maybe go for the intakes. Hope you guys enjoyed this little video. I know it's kind of short. Trying to make it as, you know, straight to the point as much as I could here for you guys. Make sure you guys drop a thumbs up, drop a comment down below. Make sure you guys subscribe so you guys don't miss out on any more videos. So then, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this little video, and I'm out. Peace out.